caught you red-handed. So he said, I wasn't stealing your butter. So she said, then what were you doing? He said, I was just looking for my calf. Oh, really? You were looking for your calf in my butter pot. Very interesting. So then Krishna pulls out this little toy marble calf. And he said, yes, this is the calf that my father brought me for my birthday. And Krishna starts laughing, and the gopi starts laughing, and then Krishna runs away. And another time, another gopi caught him red-handed. And she said, I've caught you red-handed stealing my butter. So Krishna said, I didn't steal your butter. What happened was, my mother bought me some bracelets for my birthday, and they were too tight, and they were burning my wrist. So I had to quickly cool them off by putting my hand in the butter. So she said, really? Well, how did your mouth get so full of butter? So Krishna said, well, the monkey